2009 Bounder 35E motorhome for sale in Bettendorf, Iowa 52722. Spread your wings and fly with this 2009 Bounder 35E motorhome. This Class A motorhome is 36 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong Ford V10 gasoline engine mated with a 6-speed automatic transmission that offers an impressive 365 horsepower. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 awning, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with leveling system, backup camera, and captain's chairs. With only 22,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Bounder 35E will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2009 Bounder 35E motorhome is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include Corian countertops, 3-burner stove / oven microwave large 4-door fridge / freezer / ice maker, double kitchen SinkDinette with booth-style seating, 30-inch flat-screen television, surround sound DVD / CD / StereoSatellite dish dome connected to direct TVSofa, SleeperChairsLarge walk-in shower washer / dryer, IncludedMaster queen-size BedMaster storage closet basement, StorageHeat pump, 2 AC unites, 30 or 50 amp electric service with automatic power management, 100-gallon fresh water tank, 50/40-gallon black and gray water tank, 10-gallon water heater tank, and so much more. This 2009 Bounder 35E motorhome is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Bounder 35E is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2009 Bounder 35E motorhome.